lap tayo. 15 minutes on your lap time. Plus 2 minutes. And ito. One, go! 15 minutes lap time with overlapping rule. Let's go, guys! Sabi kasing tabi. And that was Blue Jay Stan. Nangod kumpol po ng ating mga cyclists. May ma-overlap kaya. Guys, walang magbibisikleta sa sidewalk. Walang ating waves. So we still have 7 waves to go. 6 overlap. Kung dadaan sa gitna.
Up front, icon, slim shady. I see the bottom, could she be that lady? Look back and watch me see from my shadow. Wanna jump up in my Lamborghini to you, it's so smack that like
7 minutes. Eto na. Galing. Sige. Ikot pa, isang ikot pa. Last 2 laps na po sila. Let's go, guys!